Just the facts. Presents. 10 ways to get rich starting from nothing. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can start earning money and gaining financial stability by following 10 simple steps. The key to end up being rich is understanding what it takes to be rich. You need to understand that for you to be rich, you have to get out of the mentality of only thinking about how you can become a millionaire. Here are some common tips on how to apply and make use of these strategies in your own life. Number 1. Create a successful side hustle. The first step to start a successful side hustle is to identify your skill set and create a product or service that you can offer. The second step is to set your pricing strategy. You should not be too greedy or too cheap, because the value of the product should be relative to the price you are charging for it. The third step is about marketing and promotion. This is where most entrepreneurs fail because they do not know how to promote their products without spending money on pay-per-click ads, YouTube ads, etc. Number 2. Diversify your income sources by investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate. Investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate and other asset classes is an essential part of every portfolio. However, many people don't fully understand all the aspects of what it entails. Investing in stocks has been historically more volatile, but it can also offer higher returns. Bonds and real estate are less risky investments because they provide stable cash flows instead of capital gains. Whenever you invest in stocks, bonds or real estate, you take on a higher level of risk than if you just put your money into a savings account. In order to mitigate the risks that come with investing, make sure that you are knowledgeable about the asset classes that you choose to invest in and diversify your income sources as much as possible. Number 3. Spend less than you earn. Try not to live beyond your means. It is important to spend less than you earn because living beyond your means will lead to long-term debt and an inability to save. People that live beyond their means end up with a higher credit card balance, car loan, or mortgage payments. They also have trouble saving money for the future like retirement. Number 4. Automate your finances to save time and money. When it comes to automating your finances, it's a great way to save time and money. Saving money is a big motivation for automation. But automating your finances can also save you time. If you use an app that automatically deposits your paycheck into your account, the app can also help you make sure not to spend more than what's in your account, like reminding you when it's payday. When we automate our finances, we have more time to focus on our personal passions or work-related tasks that are not related to managing our money. Number 5. Have the right mindset for success and work hard. The right mindset is essential for success. You need to be confident in your skills and have a positive attitude. It takes patience, courage and self-discipline to be successful in anything. And the most important thing is that you are willing to work hard for it. Number 6. Develop or acquire skills that are in demand in the marketplace. The demand for copywriting skills has increased by 55% from 2017 to 2018, as per the data provided by Indeed. At the same time, the number of copywriters declined by 15%. This means that there is a huge opportunity for those with these skills to make a decent living and achieve their career goals. Copywriting is becoming more important to organizations as they hunt marketing strategies that resonate with audiences and get them on board. These skills are in demand because of the growing dependency on social media and digital marketing to reach out to audiences. Number 7. Build relationships with people who have power or influence. Creating a marketing strategy can be quite challenging for many marketers because so many of them are afraid to reach out to the people who have power or influence. This is due to their fear of not getting a response at all, and fear of getting denied or ignored. This is a sentiment that is very common among marketers and entrepreneurs, but it doesn't have to be the case. Reaching out and crafting an email with a personal touch can be a powerful way to get someone's attention. The key is not to come across as aggressive or too salesy. Number 8. Create a plan for retirement, even if it's just small contributions. Retirement planning is important for everyone, no matter the age. When we don't plan for our retirement, we can end up with financial problems that will last us a lifetime. It's never too late to start saving for retirement. In fact, the earlier you begin saving, the more money you will have when it comes time to retire. And the best way to save for retirement is by making small contributions regularly into your own 401k or a Roth IRA, and then letting it grow over time. Number 9. Know how much you need to start saving now for retirement. If you are willing to save 15% of your income now, you will have enough to live a life like the one you are living now when retirement comes. Number 10. Make educated decisions about what you spend your money on. What do you spend your money on? Do you compare the prices before you buy? Or do you just go with what's convenient and easy to get? The 10th tip is all about making educated decisions about what we spend our money on. Whether it's a new TV, a new outfit, or even food, being smarter with our money will help us understand how to make sure we're not spending too much money on things we don't need. After reviewing all of the available information, it is evident that it is not easy to become rich from nothing, but it is possible. If you have a creative mind and need little or no upfront investment, it is possible for you to get rich starting with nothing. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the description below for cool Just the Facts channel merch. Until next time, have a